Yeah, it's the first day back, teacher's first day back. Yeah. And this is the first year I'm not changing rooms. Cool. So, as you all know, that they did use my class for summer school. This is an interesting arrangement of desks because this isn't how I had my desk set up. Didn't have them in rows. I had them like, oh, and they changed all these out. Because all these were like, I had these desks. They go together like that. So I had them like that, but that's cool. I rock with this. I rock with rows this year. Oh, my desk been turned sideways.
I know I play it like everything's cool, but on the inside, I'm really melting on the inside because this is not how I had my stuff.
Okay, this is new. This is cool. This is cool. This is cool. That's my view. This is my view from my window, on my desk. Yeah, I guess I'll be teaching like this year. That cool. I ain't mad. Hey man, first day back it's going pretty good so far. I'm excited to be back now. I know my attitude was a little bit funky a little bit earlier, but that's because it was earlier. But yeah, I've been chatting it up, talking, amongst my peers. We just had breakfast. We had grits, bacon, sausage, chicken. What else we had? We had some fruit, had some orange juice, biscuits. Yeah, the whole nine. It was all good. I'm out of breath because I'm full and I just came up the stairs. So yeah, we just kicking in the cafeteria. We're about to have this meeting, a whole staff meeting. We need our laptops. Looks like all the teachers are starting to look at their rosters, see what students they have. Yeah, it's been some surprises. I'll just say that right now, but yeah.
All staff and employees and teachers, we still have some breaks down in the front office. If you'd like some, come help yourself, please. We still have some breaks down in the front office if you'd like some.
All right, so I don't know where I left off on this whole first day back to school little documentary / vlog / video thing. But I just got back from lunch. I told y'all they had breakfast for us. They had the whole nine. I had it laid out: grits, sausage, eggs, chicken, biscuits, bacon. They had everything, potatoes, everything. So yeah. So we had that. Then we had our first little, I guess they call it the school address. You know how the president makes the address of the nation or whatever to start the year off. So the principal, we just did all that in the cafeteria. Just going over things that's coming up in the next coming weeks, or the next, the first, just opening up the school, just trying to get everything right with the school year, letting us know all the scores from last year and what we need to do to improve on all those scores, because trust me, all those scores need to be improved on. Seems like none of these kids can read. None of them are reading on grade level. I believe if I'm quoting it right, I believe maybe 30% of kids are on grade level, if that, or it might have been 30 out of how many? No, I think it was 30% of kids were on grade level. So yeah, we definitely need to raise that up. Talking about the milestones tests and the MAP testing and the NWE, all those tests and the EOP, all of those tests, in all the AP classes, only 5 kids passed, got distinguished or proficient, or either proficient or distinguished. Everybody else was beginner or developing, which isn't really all that good. So yeah, now I'm back in my class. I actually went home for my lunch break. Shay is actually sick today. That's a little tidbit if you didn't know. But I'm back in my classroom, and the reason why what motivated me to make this video is because I'm going through a tough time right now with my morals and my ethics right now. All right, so all right, don't get ahead of yourself now. Now hear me out. Now, y'all know how hard it is for y'all know teachers don't make a whole lot of money, right? Right, that's a known fact around the whole world. Teachers don't make a whole lot of money, right? But teachers have to purchase supplies, school supplies and all that, right? So that takes away from the teacher's money at the end of the day, right? So, all right, long story short, I get back in my room, or this was here this morning, but I'm just now thinking about it because I'm just now getting into school mode. I walk into my classroom, I'm just looking around. The only thing I really noticed was the desks weren't how I left them when I left off the last day of the school year. And I'm noticing my air conditioning, my bookshelf thing. Remember that was over there next to that thing, and I had put some stuff up in the shelves and all that. And y'all said that y'all wish y'all could organize my closets. Yeah, so I come back, checking out my desk, and I don't know. I just got in the school mode, and I just see this paper. It's not mine. They got the lined paper that's not mine. I actually see this worksheet, so I'm guessing it's talking about managing stress. So I don't know if they actually taught summer school in my class. That would actually be cool if they did use this as a health class, because this is health class. But there's somebody's worksheet that they didn't do. But yeah, I got 2 packs of lined paper that can come in handy. I got 2 packs of, copy paper that can come in handy. Then look, bro, all these pencils. Bro, already sharpened and all ready to go. TTG. I got pencils, I got pens in case students want them. So, what I'm thinking, it's not mine, it wasn't given to me. It was left over here over summer school. But why wouldn't I keep this paper? Why wouldn't I? And here's the closet y'all said that y'all wish y'all could organize for me. I wish y'all could come organize it for me. Because this is about as good as it's going to get. This is about as good as it's going to get. So I'm just going to put this paper in here like so. Boom. So the reason I was talking about morals and all that is because I'm basically sneaking. This is basically stealing, right? Because it ain't mine, but it's in my classroom, so I'm gonna go ahead and claim it as mine. But the thing is, I'm trying to hide it so nobody notices that I have extra paper and all that. So I'm just about to put this paper in my desk right here. Nobody's gonna know about that. And all these, because every single day, I swear, not a day goes by where a student doesn't ask for a pencil. So, got all these pencils on deck. Yeah, these are gonna be my learner pencils. Already ready to go. You don't want to take your test because you ain't got no pencil? Boom, here you go. Oh, I think this is the perfect time to check in with one more thing with y'all. Or, I don't know if this is the last thing, but we just got our schedules, like the schedules of the classes that we're teaching and our students. We got our rosters and everything today. Y'all, my schedule is love. I love my schedule. Because I know usually I teach majority health classes. This year it's the opposite. This year I'm teaching majority PE classes. I'm a PE teacher this year, basically. I have 2 health classes this year. Last year and the previous years it's been reversed. I've always had like 4 or 5 health classes and only 2 PE classes. Now I have like 4 or 5 PE classes and only 2 health classes. And my first 2 classes are PE. I have PE first period, PE second period, health third period, PE fourth and fifth period, and then health sixth period. And then 7th period, the last class of the day, is my planning period. So I love my schedule. Looking through my roster, I like my rosters. I pretty much know all of my students already, and I have good students this year. I don't know if they watch my YouTube video, because I don't know if y'all remember, but remember I was complaining about having SPED students in 5th period specifically, and how that class was just a whole nightmare terror. But yeah, I don't think I have any SPED students this year. My first PE class, first period PE, I only have 10 students. Love. 10 students for first period PE. All right, so then we move on to second period. Bro, second period PE, 11 students. I love it. All right, so third period, back to health. So I'm back in the classroom. That's normal, 33 students in health, 33. I actually believe the limit that I'm supposed to put up an issue or put up a fight with the administration if they try to put more in my class than this number, and that's from the district. I believe my total number is like 30 or 32, but I have 33, but I'm not gonna say nothing. I ain't gonna say nothing about that. They say we should complain and put up a fight if we have more than 32. That's fine. Fourth period, back to PE. I have 26 on fourth period PE. One thing about that, the other PE coach is also going to be in there during fourth period, as well as fifth period. We have fourth and fifth period together. I have 22 in my fifth period. And then the last class of the day, health class, another 33 students. And then seventh period, I have planning, so I get to chill. But yeah, that's a little look at my schedule this year. I love it. Hey, I'm ready.